Hi, hope you're keeping safe.
Hi, this is just a very short video on using a dowel plate. And I've just made this dowel plate. It's simply a piece of 2-inch angle iron, about 4mm thick, and I've drilled a range of sizes in it. This is a metric side where I've gone from 4, 5, 6, 8, 10 and 12mm holes, and I've just started on the imperial side. I've got some centre holes drilled to start off the different sizes. I've currently gone through with a 1/4 inch hole and a 1/2 inch hole, and I'll be finishing that off later. But I'm just going to show you how it works, how we use it. The first thing to do is prepare your stock, and we want a piece of stock which is straight grained, preferably riven from a piece of material. We'll start shaping it by hand by roughly knocking off the corners with a knife, tapering one end towards a circle so that we can start it off in the hole. And I say just take off some of the excess material along the length, reducing that corner. Just makes it a little bit easier to go through the hole. Position the dowel plate on the bench so that the hole you're using is over one of the bench dog holes, and we're close to one of the bench's legs. We've made our 10mm dowel very quickly, and that will work just as well as anything you buy from the shop. If I decide that actually it wasn't 10mm I wanted, it was 8, we can just taper the end again, move to the 8mm hole, and there we have an 8mm dowel. Very quick, very easy, and that's a tool. The dowel plate is a tool that you can easily make in your shop. You just need some high-speed steel twist drill bits, and a drill press is good because it's nice to have the holes nice and vertical through the material. So there's a little project for you, very easy, very useful, the dowel plate.
Look after yourselves and don't forget to subscribe to see videos every day during the COVID-19 problems.